So we are doing Algebra 1, Chapter 2.1, Writing and Graphing Inequalities. So inequality is basically a mathematical sentence and we compare expressions. So we use less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, or we can use equal, but this is inequalities. So we use these four signs. Okay. And we use is less than or is fewer than for less than, and for greater than we use is greater than or is more than. And for less than equal to, we use is less than or equal to, is at most, or is no more than. And for greater than equal to, we use is greater than or equal to, or is at least, or is less than. So we'll do each type of problems and then it will become more clear. So let's try start doing the problems. So this is a question. A number is greater than 3. So suppose the number is x. Okay, or here it is written actually in the question, number x is greater than 3. Okay, so what we'll write, x is greater than 3. Okay, and how we will graph it? So this is the number line and x is greater than 3. Okay, so 3 is not included. It is not equal to sign. So we will put a empty circle here and then we will draw a thick line over there. And this keeps on going. Okay, so this is x is greater than 3. Okay, we'll draw an empty circle at 3 because 3 is not included. Okay, and this is x is greater than 3. So this on this number line, this is how we graph it and this is how we represent it. Let's do a next question. So this is a number n plus 7 is less than or equal to 9. So this is a number n plus 7. So we will write n plus 7 is less than equal to. So we will use this sign. Okay. So this is less than equal to 9. Okay. And how we'll graph? So for graph, we have to just solve this. So this will be Sn is less than equal to 2. So it is less than equal to 2. So 2 is included. So we will put a covered dot here, not an empty dot, and then we will, because it is less than, so we will draw like this. It also keeps on going like this. So this question says that 15 is no more than a number t divided by 5. It's not more, means it is less than. Okay, so we can write that 15 is less than a number less than equal to t by 5. Okay, no more than means it is less than equal to. Now question 8 is 3 times a number w is less than 18. So 3 times a number w means 3w is less than 18. Okay, so if we want to graph this, this will be w is less than 6. So W is less than 6. So we'll, since there is no equal to sign, we'll put an empty circle and this will go on like this. It will continue like this. Okay. All the numbers less than 6. So 10th question is 3 is less than the sum of a number s plus 4. So 3 then is less than sum of a number s plus 4. So this is the inequality. Okay. If we want to graph it, it will be s is greater than -1 because 4 will come here, -4. Okay, so let's graph this. So this is s is greater than -1. Okay, so the -1 is not included, so we write like this, and this is s. Okay, so this gives us, this is any number we can put, like we can put s is 0, which is, so we'll get 0 plus 4, which will be greater than 3. So s is greater than -1, and this will be empty circle because -1 is not included. So this question says that 13 is at least the difference of a number v and 1, means the difference is greater than or equal to 13. 13 is at least, means at least the difference is 13 or it can be greater. So it will be 13 v minus 1. Okay. Or v is less than equal to 14. So let's graph this. So this will be v is less than equal to 14. So this circle will be filled, okay, because 14 is included, and we will go towards left because v is less than 14. Okay, now let's do the next question. So in this question, it says 4 is no less than. No less than means it is either greater than or equal to. Okay, then the quotient of a number x and 2.1. Okay, so it is no less than means either it is greater than or equal to, then the quotient of a number x and x by 2.1. Okay, so let's graph this. So since it is less than or equal to, so and so the circle will be filled because it includes 8.4 and will keep on going with this. Okay, so we'll do more problems in our next class. Thanks for joining and please continue practicing. Thank you.